Hello, it's Don. We are hard working on the live well, and it's coming right along. We got it right over here. I set it in the sun so the top could cure. I had some plexiglass. I think I told you I cut it and it fits perfect in there. I got some stainless steel piano hinge. I may drill a hole, just stick my finger through an opening, or I may put a handle. I'm not sure. Handles get snagged. Don't know yet. The bottom's all done, sealed, ready to go, ready to be plumbed, gel coated, all there. This I just fiberglass, so that's got to set up a little bit, and I'll sand that smooth, gel coated, I think, before I put it in the boat, just so it's easier to get to all that stuff. I'll probably have to clean up around the edge with a little Dremel tool to get my fiberglass, not my fiberglass, my paint, my can't say it, my plexiglass lid to fit proper. So we got the boat mapped out, and here's where it's going to go, right here in the back. And you can see I've got it drawn out, so it's going to be mostly in 3-4 inches out. It's going to, bottom of it's going to be floor level. That way I'll have room underneath it for my plumbing. I'll be losing this, but who cares? I still have access on either side. It'll be a little bit of a reach when I need to get in there, but I can do it. So there we go. There we go. Things are happening. We're going to have a live well. I might have this thing done this weekend. I don't know. We'll see. Just keeping you posted on how it's going. Next time you see me, we'll be cutting out the back of the boat. And then I'll put that in, not with fiberglass, but with epoxy rosin. It has a superior bonding and strength, and I feel much better about that, being that we're cutting right into the back of the boat. So just a quick recap on where we're going. Live well mostly done, looking good. That's it for now. We'll check back with you in a little while. Hello, it's Don. All right, here we go. This is the moment of truth on the bait well. We've been saying we're going to do it. We're going to do it. We're doing it. So here's the well. This is our old water bladder pressure tank turned into a live well. I haven't put the fittings in yet. I'm going to wait till I get it in the boat, make sure everything's right. I made a plexiglass lid that fits in there. Just nice. Just drilled a hole for my thumb to get it open and closed. But I've already mapped out the boat here. And there you go. We're going to cut that out. I looked at that a couple, 2-3 times. I think it's right. You know, if it's not, if it's wrong, it's fiberglass. We can fix it. But I'm feeling pretty confident. I've done this sort of thing before. So, hey, why don't you hang with me for a couple minutes? We'll cut out the back of my boat. Yikes. Here it goes. Here it goes. See if we can set this up somewhere where you can see, kind of, sort of. That looks pretty good. I got some battery powered tools up here. Let's see what we can get done. Put on my safety glasses. Might as well get this out of the way. That wasn't so bad. Alright, well, it's going to be cut off even across the floor there. Up, across the top, back around, and back down. I don't know how much is glass together. We're going to find out. Let's make a cut. I should have drilled a hole so I can get things started here. Let's see what I can do. That's usually what I find with fiberglass. It'll burn up a fine blade in a hurry. Alright, back to the get her done. Oops, I don't want it backwards. By the way, I've already been all back behind here. There's nothing back there, no wires. That'll be easier. You gotta take this right down until it's flush with the flat floor here. Like that. It'd be nice to have it come out of there. But it won't. Let's see what's holding it together. Not much. There. Just puttied together. Boy, look how thin that is. I mean, I guess it's just a wall. It ain't got much to do, but... Well, I can do some cleaning up in there, too, before I get all this in. I do everything I can. This is pretty thick. I better drill a hole up on top and work my way around. Solid enough. Well, there it is. We got a big hole in the boat. These look pretty good in there. I'm gonna have to put a scoop in the bottom, pull the live well water up. In the back, we'll put a drain straight out, one side or the other. Geez, I got it pretty clean back there, all considering how hard it is to get to. Anyway, there we go. There we go. We've cut the back of the boat out. So I'll finish up rounding out the bottom, getting it smooth with the bottom of the boat. I'll get the live well actually might refit in there, and then I'll take it in and out. I'll be doing the plumbing first. I'm not. The last thing I'll do is glass it. And when I put it in, I'm going to put it in with epoxy rosin. I want the superior bonding and strength that I'm going to gain with that. It takes a little more prep when I go to gel coat it afterwards, but it'll be fine. Whew, look at that! Holy cow! Got a hole in the boat. That's why I've been dragging my feet on this. But anyway, this is a good start. We'll get back to this when we start getting the live well fit in there just a little bit better. Thanks for joining me. Okay, that wasn't so bad. My cut was almost perfect. I had to grind just a wee little bit. It's actually snug in there. It's not even wiggling. Only a little design flaw on my part. I cut that down square, and I got two corners showing there. But I'll be fiberglassed in anyway, so that'll be covered up. Just something I kick myself for. It's like, geez, I should have seen that. But wow, huh? Look at that. Look at that. That's solid right there. Once this is all glassed in, because how thin that piece was, it's actually going to be stronger back here. That's going to be really nice. So there's the drain. There'll be a standpipe. Just enough room for all the fittings. It's going to drain out the back of the transom. My fill level will have to be below this edge here. I mean, that's okay because it's just going to fill to the level of the standpipe anyways. You could actually have it fill in the bottom. It's irrelevant. And wow, that's great. Got plenty of room for everything. I'll probably angle the drain a little off to the right because we got that stiff knee built into the transom, or to the left, one side or the other of it. It doesn't really matter. But look at that, huh? Just nice fit all the way around. How did I get so lucky? Anyway, this has got a non-skid. We're gonna have to grind this about 2 inches all the way around to get a good surface to fiberglass too. Inside the wall here, I've already ground inside there, so I have a nice surface. I'll only grind off as little bit as I have to here, probably maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches, and we'll try to do a real nice finished cloth all the way around, so we don't mess everything else up. But when this is all done, then we're going to take and we'll tape everything off, and we'll spray it, gel coat everything to match the best we can. As I keep working on this boat, you know, one day I may just end up sanding it all out and re-gelling the whole inside of the boat. Maybe not, but at least what I do looks good meanwhile back at the ranch. I've been trying to match this color. You know, first I go, oh, it's got blue in it, and I did some blue, and it's like, no, that's a lot of blue. And then I said, well, you know, there's gray with that blue. So last time I mixed some gray and blue together, I patched up a couple of spots, and I'm getting close now. This is really close. It looks like I got the right amount of blue, a little more gray, just darken it up a little bit. And then if I was to web all this, it would just be perfect. But anyways, there's the live well in the Panga. We said we were going to do it. We've been threatening we're going to do it. By God, we did it. And so I got some work to do under the deck now, some plumbing, some fiberglass work. I don't know, maybe we'll record that, maybe we won't. But anyways, thanks for joining me with this. Have a great day.